Hi, this is Gordon Bates from Graphing of Photons. I'm going to show you today how to download the images from your photo shoot. So once you go to the URL where your images are and you enter the password, we're going to go into a gallery and I'm going to do a short demo about how to download the images. So let's say we're looking for softball. This is my athlete and I want to download this image of them. I can directly download right here, or I can go through the shopping cart. If you go through the shopping cart, you're going to have to buy a $0 item. By purchasing the $0 item, you also receive the print release. So that lets you take your images to Walgreens or Costco, Walmart, whatever, and have them printed if you choose not to have them printed through this website. Here's the image. I'm going to add it to the cart, and then we need to visit our cart and do the checkout process. You don't actually have to sign in or make any kind of an account. You just check out as a guest. The most important part of your checkout information is the email that you enter, because that's where you get the download link to download your images. This is the print release that you get. It comes as a text file along with the image download. Okay, so right here is the important part where you enter your email and then confirm it. You also need to put a name. Doesn't have to be an accurate name, just needs to be something. Okay. And now when you continue to check out, you're going to get some kind of confirmation about your order, summarizing what you just did. No coupon code is necessary because this is just an image download. Once again, you'll get some other kind of confirmation, and as long as this email matches what you intended to enter, which is your email address, you should have received the email by now that will let you download your images. So I hope this was helpful. Please contact me if you have further questions, and have a good day.